Today I'm gonna make another tutorial video because you guys are so stupid you cannot pull off a single installation. And yes, I'm absolutely kidding because my installation instructions are so unclear that even understanding the prescription of a doctor sounds like a piece of cake. That is why today I'm going to show you how to install AC2 CRYNATION final graphics mod on your game. So let's get started without wasting your precious time. But before that, make sure to subscribe and like. So to get started, firstly, make sure you have the game. Obviously, you cannot install it without your game. But if you are using AC2 Uplay version, I'm afraid you are in a bad luck because Uplay do not like mods. Uplay's anti-cheat is like a Karen who's like, "Oh, how dare you install a mod on my game? You are supposed to play it in the worst graphics as possible, because this is a violation of civilization and humanity, and that's why you are getting banned." And if that's the case, then the versions you are gonna use are the version that I'm going to tell you. So, the ones that I really recommend you to use are Steam versions that are called Deluxe. So use AC2 Deluxe version from Steam, or you could use from the Dodiri pack or Core pack. And if you have that, we can start the installation. Firstly, we'll install Reshade. So let's click on Reshade Setup, and we'll have to select our game. Let's go browse. We're gonna select that, and we are going to select DirectX 9 and install every single effect in here. Once you're done with that, let's go to preset folder. Let's copy all of these and let's go to our AC2 folder and paste them. As you can see, we already have them, so we don't need them. After that, we're going to go to texture folder. So we have text mod, we have texture.tpf, which is the texture, and the PNG. Now, when you install Reshade, you'll probably find a folder called Reshade Shaders. Go inside there, go to texture, and paste it in here. This will make the game look very shiny with a very beautiful custom lens flare. After that, go to draw distance. This is going to fix your draw distance and shadow. So, in here we have two methods, method 1 and method 2. You can download these from here. Okay, so let's go to method 2. This is the AC2 Mixit, and method 1 has this. With method 2, it's easier because you can just go here and paste all these files in your AC2 folder, and that will be it, and there is nothing you can do. But in case this does not work, you can use method 1, where you are going to use Visual Fixer CT or cheat table, which you can download from here, from ModDB. There are two versions, which one is for standard edition, Uplay, another is deluxe edition, which I tell you to use, which is the best one, which will give you more graphics and the mod will work better. Okay, so how do I start the game? Well, to start the game, you will need text mod. Click here and then select AC2 game.exe, and then click here and select the TPF, this TPF. You can browse and then select this, and then after that you will run this. Now after that, how you can use this? Well, for method 2 I told you just copy it and that will be it. But in case you are using method 1, there's actually a little process after you run the game. So let me show you. You're gonna open up the game and wait for some time. Since we are using a texture mod, this will take us quite a lot of time, and that's why you need to wait. If you weren't using a text mod, it'd take like a second, but this is the thing with graphics mod, it just makes the game more higher. I can't believe it's taking that long. But yeah, If you install these on SSD, it's gonna take less time. Right now, I'm playing this game on a dummy HDD, a hard disk drive, and that thing is extremely slow. I use it to store trash and stuff, and I think to install AC2 for just, you know, the installation tutorial, I of course need a fresh copy, and for that I installed it on my hard drive. For you, I recommend you to install in SSD. Hard to believe, but these days even old games are high-end with mods, and you just need high-end PC for that. Okay, we are going to story mode. We'll open this up. There are still some stuff, like I said, you have to if you use the method 1, there's something you need to do after you open the game. So let's wait some times until the game opens up. Okay, so the game has opened and there are some graphical issues, and we're going to go through all that. Firstly, we are going to open this, or you could open up the exe, but for the exe the success rate is very low, so use the CT, manually choose your game, yes, and check shadow. I'm going to choose high resolution. For this, I'm going to check these, just go to game, and you can see the draw distance is fixed. You can press F3 sometimes, because F3 it toggles turn off, turn on. But right now it's turned on. So we're going to go to home. We're going to here and we're going to select the preset. So we have Florence all map, we have Tuscany, or we could use Venice. These are the 3 presets I'm going to give you. These does not require RTGI and therefore different maps. Now we're going to go to DirectX 3.9 to fix these black line. We can see several options, and this is the one that works. And as you can see, the graphics is working, and the draw distance is also fine. There is nothing in the distance that is low quality. Everything is loaded, including the shadows. And that is it. Thank you for watching. I hope this helps. I hope you are not confused right now. If you like this tutorial and if you want more tutorial as well, hit subscribe, because you can always subscribe if you don't like to. But yeah, for today, goodbye.